This is me. This is us when... This is us walking. Enough, Belle. Dog. Kids at park. Enough, Belle. No, there's kids everywhere. Let's go this way. This way. Come on, G. Oh, I hope you brought chip bags. Yeah, you better run. That just... Belle, enough. Heel. Belle.
What are you doing?
Heel.
What are you doing?
Heel.
Stop.
Wow, they finally cut the grass here. Gigi, what are you doing? You want your muzzle off? Do you want your mask off? Huh? We're in the bush, you can take it off now. What are you looking at? Huh? Dad? No, he's over there. Go get him. Go get Dad. No. Belle, I said get Dad, not the duck. No. What are you doing? Oh, come here. There you go, what's up? Feel better? You feel better? Yeah? Go get Dad? Go. Come on. Okay, so we're at Windsor Park in South Keys, Ottawa, Ontario. This is my dog, Bella. I'm not going to take her leash off because we're in the park and people are out still, but she's cool with running with it. And this is her ball I got. Okay, Belle. You ready? Want the ball? No, I guess she doesn't want to run. What? Steven? She doesn't want to play unless you're over here.
Did you even bring her ball?
I brought that blue thing over there. Can't see it.